Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're at. Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, this is my newest addition to my gun collection. I'm not going to do a full review of my collection. I'm going to save that probably till like July, but I just wanted to show you my newest addition as of right now. Let's get started, shall we? First, I want to show you that it came just in a box, like any normal rifle would. Just gave you a little clue. It is a rifle. And you know, this comes with basic stuff inside the box. This cable lock. Comment below how many cable locks you actually have. I have quite a few. And do you actually use them? I haven't used this one yet. When I purchased the rifle, the description said it came with a 20-round magazine, but in reality, it came with two 10-rounders. I'm not mad or anything, you know. Magazine's better. Some guns ship with no magazine, depending on what you get. Here's where I got it from. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. The actual rifle. While I'm getting things ready, I'm going to share with you a quick story time. I was born in the Midwest. Hit the like button if you want to hear part 2. And here she is. From butt to face. It's a Radical Firearms, chambered in 7.62. 10.5-inch barrel. The optic, of course, didn't come with it. And the brace, this is not the brace that came with it. The brace that came with it is a mag pull brace. I didn't like the feel or the looks of it, so I swapped it out for a SBA 4. I just think it looks more aggressive and it's more comfortable. You got your strap so you can put your arm in there and strap it up and use it how it's intended. But yeah, I love this firearm so far. I'm not done with it yet. Of course, I'm going to add some front and back irons just for backup in case the battery dies. It's always a good thing to have backup sights because you never know when that battery might go. Even though this is a new battery, still, I might accidentally leave it on for like a long time without, you know, realizing it. So like I said, yeah, backup iron sights are always a good thing to have. And as far as this mag pull brace, I have no use for it. I have no use for it, so if any of you want it, just hit me up on Instagram, send me a message, and I'll give it to you for free. I'll just send it out. Like I said, I have no use for this no more. But yes, sir, standard A2 flash hider. All mil-spec, charging handle, mil-spec trigger, mil-spec buffer tube. But yeah, I'm gonna customize this. I'm not done yet. I'm still gonna add probably some sort of light, of course. Like I said, the backup iron sights. I like the grip. It's a Magpul grip. It has a good texture on it. so you won't slip off. I got another one where it is a mag pull, and you can really tell the difference with the gripping, the texture. I don't know if you can see that well, maybe not, but trust me, it feels good in the hands. There's no play in the between the upper and lower receiver. The only rattle you hear is this, which you have no choice about that. You're gonna hear a little bit rattle with the brace if you put a different one on. Like I said, hit me up on Instagram if you want this brace. I have no need for it. Won't cost you nothing. I'll just send it to you, no problem. This is the only brand of ammo I've run through it so far. Bellum 7.62x39. It runs well. I haven't had misfire yet or a jam, which is good. I'm gonna keep the mil spec trigger, but I'm gonna change the buffer tube to probably like a H2, or the buffer, not the tube itself, but the buffer inside. I'm gonna change to like a H2 or H3. And one thing I'm gonna add is this baby right here. New safety selector. Nothing wrong with the safety selector that's on there, but I just wanted something different. And with this, I know you're thinking, Ru, won't that make it dangerous? No, it'll make it safe. Super safe, if you know what I mean. But yep, I added CV Life red dot. Nothing special, it's just a red dot. I like CV Life. A lot of people, some people don't, some people do. It's my prerogative. It's my choice. So, yep, I like CV Life. I'm going to buy more in the future. I got another one on my Zero Delta. If you've seen that video, if you haven't yet, go ahead and go back and watch it. This is just a red dot, plain red dot. My other one is dot circle or a red dot circle combination. So I like it. This one was a little bit cheaper than the other one, but I got a good deal on it. Yeah, so yeah, I like CV Life. Like I said, oops, let me get my finger off the barrel. You're gonna kill me in the comments. M-lock on both sides, M-lock on bottom, Picatinny, full Picatinny on top. Like I said, I'm going to change the buffer inside to a H2 or H3. So yeah. So there you have it, my newest addition, the Radical Firearms, chambered in 7.62x39. I know some of you are like, 7.62 should only be an AK platform. That's your opinion. But I'm happy with my purchase that I made. And this is the newest of my gun collection part 1. I'm going to do another one right after this, because I got another something special in there also. So stay tuned for that video also. I'll probably drop this one later on today and the part 2 tomorrow. Give you back to back. I got to get more consistent. I had a little mishap with my video camera. I had to buy a new one. So I'm back at it, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a good night.